welcome to Pink Poodle 2. I am Pink Poodle. Oh, we've got there is Maisie, the East End Poodle, and West End Poodle Priscilla. And I am Pink Poodle 2. And we've got it quiet today because the poodles are actually out for a walk with their daddy, so it's just us. And a nice cup of coffee. I've just been to the dentist and I've got to have a tooth out, and they're going to give me laughing gas. I've never had laughing gas before, so yes I have, when I was giving birth to my daughter, but that was many years ago. So what are we doing today? We have got the Occultbox, and it is the Halloween version. What is the Occultbox, you might ask? Occultbox is a box that you can buy from the Occultbox website, run by a lovely couple of people called Misha and Kyle, and the box costs £25 if you get it on a like every month, otherwise it's £27 as a one-off. I also do, and they do a lot of some things they do themselves and they make, so yeah, they're really good. I've got lots of things around the place from the Occultbox. Got the moon thing there. There's some of the little things from last month. That's from the Occultbox. That's from the Occultbox. That's from the Occultbox. So Occultbox and Witch Casket are strewn my wall, and also the new box I'm getting, which is Silverpool and Daughters. So we'll open it up, see what's in it, and we are greeted with some lovely black and oh, got a big bat to go. My bat's on my face. I might use this as in a makeup look or something. Oh look, we got a bat moustache or a bat head dress or something. A bat flying across. Could be a good stencil for that. I quite like this, and this is just like a little extra thing. And then we have some black on orange little dots, which will come in handy for some looks as well. They're like confetti. I keep all these, strange. And it says Happy Halloween, Blessed Samhain. The Occultbox, and on the back it says Too Sweet to Be Sad. That looks cool, doesn't it? I like that. That'll be going on the back there. So there's that. Then it says Occultbox. It's got some lovely orange paper, tissue paper. I also keep all the tissue paper as well, and black tissue paper. And we have the box. So firstly, we've got this little plaque, and it's made of wood, and it says Trick or Treat, and it's got treats and eyes and bats, and it's all glittery. And this is, yeah, designed by, what's that say? Well, them anyway. Can't read that and got the thingy glasses on. So that's really nice. I like that. Let's put that without down there. Put them out the way because we don't know they're going to bound to go off. Bet your life. So there's that. Then we've got some sweeties, Trick or Treat, and I am so pleased to say these are actually vegan. So I'm really pleased about that, because I don't eat gelatin because I don't eat meat. So really happy about that. Thanks Misha and Carl for that. Oh, and I've just blown that off. There you go. So I just put that back there. Then we got some, I love the smell of these, Witch's Curse. They're cones, incense cones. I already have some of these and I already burned this. We also got the oil the other couple of months back. We got the Witch's Curse oil, which smells exactly the same as these. And these are really nice smelling. I like these a lot. So these are a good make as well. There's quite a few in here. There's 12 cones in here. And it says, release yourself from Witch's Curse with this purifying aroma, cleansing the air and of negativity and bringing you back to serenity. I need that for today for sure. This is what it looks like. Oh, they smell really lovely. I should be running those over the weekend. There's that. Then we've got a little pumpkin. A pumpkin candle. I doubt very much if I'll burn it because it's too cute. So cute. Look at that. That's cute. And then we have, ooh, we have a cauldron. I think this is for a bath, is it? Yeah. So you put this in the bath and it bubbles over. And you've got a cauldron you can keep then. Oh, it's quite hard, this cauldron. So yeah, and that's got a little spider in it. So once it's all come out, you're gonna have a spider. It's quite a nice black cauldron. You could actually put. It's quite hard as well. So yeah, there's that. It smells really nice. Then we've got a little bag, and in here we have, and these are by Occultbox UK. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure how to say that. Occultbox. It's a really nice card on the back as well. And we have a little planchette pin. And we have this really nice get it out so you can see it. Pretty cat. He's cute, isn't he? He's very look nice on there. So there's that. We put him back so that he's safe because I don't want to lose him just yet before I start putting him along with all my other bits of things. So there's that. And then we've got a little patch that says haunted. So I suppose you sew that on or whatever you want to do. Say you got a black t-shirt, you could always put it sort of here or up here, couldn't you? That's a thought to do. And then we have this, which is a little vial. And it says Samhain spell. So it says Samhain spell, Wogmalt, can't speak now, mugwort, marigold flower and orange. Mugwort amplifies psychic visions and divination. Marigold ensures good sleep and keeps away bad dreams. And orange brings prosperity, uplifting mood and mindset. Multi-use spell. Use in an altar offering, burn as a divination incense, or place under a pillow to enhance psychic ability and sleep and dispel negative dreams. So let me smell this. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells very earthy, right? So there's that. Pull this here and there. Then we've got a jute bag. I've got one of the jute bags up there, and it says is a hat and a pumpkin on it, which is quite nice. I'll keep this in my bag actually, this one. So there's that. And then we've got some spooky mussings, spooky mussings. I don't know how to say that word. I don't know why I can't read it. Spooky messaging, massings. I suppose it's like a word from messages. I don't know. My brain doesn't want to work today. So there's that. It's really nice to put some things on. Then we've got this, which must be our print of the month, which is quite good. This is by Lois Goody, and you can get this on Etsy. shop Lois Goody or Instagram Lois Goody. It's really nice, it's really good. You've got a little couple of bits on the back as well. That's really nice, I like that. Plenty to look at, so that'll be going in the back as well. And then the last thing we've got is we've got this, which is a spooky small business coupon book, and it's got all different alternative places you can shop and get discount using the discount things in here. So if you wanted to go to Occultbox, you can use the code there and get 15% off, or go to Pocket of Pumpkins, get 10% off there with that code, or Witches Oddities, 20% off that code. So I'm going to look at that one. Then you've got Screaming Man Drake, 10% off that code. So yeah, this is a really good idea. So for the Halloween box this month, we have, let me just drink this, a voucher book for alternative businesses. We've got a lovely print. We've got something for messages. We've got a tote bag, which I'm going to put so you can see, because I am being very professional, like that. And then we've got a Samhain spell, Samhain spell. We've got some Witch's Curse incense cones, which smell absolutely lovely, like the smell of them. Then we have a patch, which you can put on a t-shirt, which I will be doing. I'll buy a nice one when I get to Primark, that is. I need to go to Primark desperately. Let's see if I can hold any more. Alright, we've got some sweeties. We got a bath bomb. Let's see what the sweeties here. Let's see if I can do this. Like every month we do a Cracker Jack. And then we've got the, I'll put that last. Then we've got the little pumpkin, another print, Stay Too Sweet with Happy Samhain on it. Samhain, yeah, I keep saying it wrong. Oh, we've got this little Trick or Treat, and oh no, we've got this that went in here. We've got the necklace and the, so we've got the necklace. Oh, look at me, let's try and get you that necklace and the badge, which I'm putting there. That looks kind of like from that looks like from the same type of, I think that must be from the same person. And then we've got the bath bomb and the Trick or Treat. And that, my friends, are the October Halloween cult box, or Samhain box. I'll say that right in a minute. The Samhain box. So that's Trick or Treat box from the Occultbox, and also the Samhain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a paws up and tell me if you're dressing up or doing anything for Halloween this year or Samhain. I'm not sure what's going on for Samhain for us, because like obviously we won't be dressing up because, you know, don't have to do that because it's only me and Paul. But I do dress up sometimes, but nobody will be knocking this time. I used to do like pumpkins every year, and I don't do that anymore. But yeah, so as I say, like, let me know what you're doing, and let me know if you like me doing these alternative boxes, because I really do enjoy them. So this is my last alternative box of the month, and yeah, hope everybody's alright and safe and well, and I hope everybody continues to be safe and well. And I'm really sorry that Wales and Scotland, some of Scotland and up north are in lockdown. hope my prayers are with you all, because like it's hard enough when you're not in lockdown, you're in number two, you know, you can't mix households, so I can't see both of my children or my granddaughter or even the new baby when he comes, so it's going to be really hard, and it's been playing a lot on my anxieties lately. So anyway, take care everyone. I hope you have a good evening, good afternoon, good everything, and I will see you in the next Pink Poodle 2. Take care, and always remember, it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. And I really enjoyed the box again this month. Misha and Carl, thank you very much. It was very enjoyable. And thanks for the sweets, because that is a nice touch, because it's hard when you don't eat meat and everything's got pork jones in, beef bones in, and you can't eat any of the sweeties. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.